So winner is Hemin. Already got 20 pesos, right? Keep it well, Hemin. And mommy give 10 ringgit to kid later. 10 pesos. So vowels this time. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 basic vowels, okay? So easy to memorize. Ah. Yeah. Oh. This, how does it look? This is outside, right? It goes, the dot goes outside, right? So it's it goes inside, right? So does it look like that?
Is right. Yo is
Inside.
left.
Left. Inside. Go inside. Go outside. So if you go outside, go inside. Okay. Yo. 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 They are like brothers, okay? Yeah. Yo. Yeah. O. Then how does it sound? Yo. Yo. U. Next. The double. This one. U. How about this?
You.
E. English doesn't have this vowel, so it's gonna be a bit difficult for you. E. Okay. Let's read again. Yeah. Yo. O. Yo. U. U. E. One more time. Yeah. Yo. O. Yo. U. U. E. Okay, then. Okay, try to put together 디귿 and 어. How will you sound? 디귿 and 어. D and 어. How does it sound? 더. 디귿. Let's try 디귿. Here. 디귿 and 디귿 and 다. Let's try. 다. How about this? All 디귿. Let's put 디귿 in all vowels, okay?
One time
다. Correct. dia. 더. Next is dio. dio. How about this? 혜민 언니. O and 디귿. O. D and O. 도. 도. Okay. Play 도. 디귿 and O. 도. Next, Kate. 요. dio. Correct. How about mommy? 디귿 and U. 두. dio. Do it now. Do, right?
Do it now.
Do. How about this, Sam Kate? Due, correct. Due date. Due, right? How about 혜민? 디귿 and almost correct. 드. How about this? E. K. E. 디귿 and E. D, correct.
So it's all silent T. All silent T.
What's T?
All of it.
all 다, dia, 도, dio, 오, 도, dio, 두, 드, 디. You can apply anything. Let's try S. 사. 샤. 혜민, try. Come here. 샤. 서. 셔. 소. 쇼. 수. 슈,
슈,
스,
스,
시.
시.
You understand how it works, right?
아,
Well, I'll tell you how to write. 사, just write vowel, consonant, and vowels together like this. This is one word in Korea. 사, you read it 사.
사,
Like this. I mean, see, shield at R, right? So we call it 사.
사.
How about this? How to read this one? Shield and what? O, right?
오,
So how do you read?
소,
서.
사,
서, correct. I mean, how about this? This time the vowel goes down, okay? Vowels usually go right, but for O, it goes down, okay? And consonants go top. So shield O. How do you read it?
슈,
So.
소, 소.
So.
소.
U same. The vowel goes down. This is the writing. How to write?
Internet 10 o'clock.
We'll done 10 o'clock.
수,
수.
수.
수. Correct. Okay. So that's how you write the word. Okay.
So
Then
you can just put anything, right?
you can
With the
combine
consonants and vowels.
together.
But vowels and consonant cannot. Should be consonant and vowels.
together. In Korean, if there's no vowel, you cannot make sound. Let's say like this. 니은, 디귿. We cannot make sound. We need the vowels always, okay? Like this. 나, 다, something like this, okay? So I will write 가나다라 각야 거교, okay? You follow, okay? How to write? See how did he write? I will use 기억 for all the vowels, okay? See, Hemin, it's very important how to write. This is 가, 캬, okay? 거, 겨, 고,
Where are you reading from here?
고,
You
교,
reading?
교, 구, 규, 그, 기, okay?
할게요.
Alright, try to write this one.
With this and this.
Together. Try to write 2 times. And we are done today. So,
So
I will.
memorize again.
Yeah.
Alphabets. No.
So we'll do
Only
it
way is to
tomorrow
memorize.
night again.
I will practice again. And the day after tomorrow, let's do the test again, okay? Tomorrow, practice again.
Your first again tomorrow, I mean, you'll have 40 peso. You'll be rich, I mean.
Read.